Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. You can recover all the chats that you have had with your girlfriend, spouse, or any other person from the time you created your Instagram account. So just watch the video until the end, and let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, click on this menu bar. In the Settings and Activity page, select your activity and then scroll down to the bottom. Click on Download Your Information and then click on Download or Transfer Information. Now, on this page, Instagram is asking how much information you want to download. If you want to download all information, then select the option All Available Information. But in this video, I am recovering only chats, so I am going to select some of your information. Here on this page, tick the message box, and if you want, you can tick other options too that you want to download. After this, click on the next button at the bottom, and then click on Download to Device. Now, on the Create File page, select the time range of data you want to download by clicking on the data range. I am selecting all-time data. You can select as you need. And then just click on Save button. Keep in mind that the download data link is also sent to the given email address. Now, just click on Create Files and wait for at least 12 hours for the download link to come. Now you can see that the download link came the next day. I think your download link has also come. If you aren't able to come to this page directly, you can also check your email. When you click on it, this will automatically redirect you to this page. Now simply click Download and then enter your account password in this box. But if you don't remember your account password, I will give a link to the video in the I button. You can find your password from there, or you can also check my Instagram playlist to recover your password if you forgot it. So after entering your password, just click on the Continue button and then don't do anything. This will automatically redirect you to the Downloads page. Here, click on the Instagram downloaded file, click on Extract on this pop-up page, and then just click on Finish. Now you can see that all your chats and messages have been downloaded. So just click on it and select any browser to open. Now you can finally see that the chats have been recovered successfully. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.